96% of working millennials in China plan to trade in their current smartphones for a newer model within 2 years. Of Indian consumers in the market for new cars, over a third of them are looking for hybrid or electric vehicles. Households in Thailand's major cities are spending at least 17% of their consumption on leisure and holidays. These findings illustrate a shift in the behavioral patterns of Asian consumers, giving rise to the consumption upgrade trend that has swept across the region. Consumption upgrade occurs when people buy higher quality or better performing products or services at higher prices, essentially trading up. Take the example of 44-year-old May, who lives in Xiamen, China. Her daughter recently became financially independent and left home, and so May suddenly has more money at her disposal, and this time, she is motivated to focus on herself. With her newfound financial comfort, she begins to pursue the finer things in life. At home, she's remodeling her kitchen, choosing to hire an interior designer and splurge on pricier materials. During mealtimes, she begins to consume more organic food. And instead of spending her vacation touring nearby Asian cities as she usually does, she books a trip to Europe for the first time. May is one of the many million working-age empty nesters in China, who are considered by some to be the fastest-growing consumer market in the world, as they have fewer dependents and more financial resources. But it's not just working-age empty nesters who are trading up. It's tech-savvy millennials. It's health-conscious individuals. It's people seeing their incomes rising or seeing their home prices increasing. And it's families migrating to cities. Which brings us to the topic of urbanization, a long-term demographic trend in Asia that is a powerful and sustainable driver of consumption upgrade. It is a well-recognized fact that spending habits change drastically when people move to cities from non-urban areas, as they tend to buy more premium products and their discretionary expenses increase. Despite significant migration over the last few decades, the urbanization ratio in Asia still stands at only 48%, which is considerably low compared to 82% in North America and 73% in Europe. So there is a lot more room for urbanization in Asia to play out and further shape consumption patterns. Asia's rising income levels, which comes hand in hand with the increase in the middle-class population, is another long-term driver of consumption upgrade. Since 2009, income per capita in developing Asia has surged by 75%, empowering consumers to seek higher quality products and services. The rapid spread of consumption upgrade across Asia is giving rise to investment opportunities in the region's capital markets. Rising aspirations combined with increasing incomes are catalysts for growth in the beauty and personal care sector in India, Korea, and the Philippines. The home care sector in India and Indonesia is also a beneficiary, as consumers switch from unbranded to branded names. Elsewhere, Chinese consumers with accumulated wealth are traveling more and further away, which is propelling growth in travel and related sectors. Of the next billion people entering the global middle class, 87% of them will be from Asia, which means the consumption upgrade story is likely to be a powerful driving force for the world economy in the coming decades. And the opportunities arising from this ongoing trend are best accessed through investment strategies that focus on a wide range of beneficiary sectors across markets in developed and developing Asia.